What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now I've just got to say it again, because the energy that you guys have been bringing to the comment section has been phenomenal. Okay, I want all of you guys to know I appreciate all of you guys who are commenting on the videos, who are soaking up the information that I'm giving you guys, and you guys are taking it out there and putting it to good use. And just overall, you guys are showing high appreciation for the content, and I love it, guys. So do hit me up in the comment section. All right, let me know your thoughts, questions, anything that you guys have. It's a voice for you guys to express yourself down there. As I said, you guys have been doing an incredible job with just bringing amazing energy. All right. That being said, speaking of amazing energy, I want to start this video off by showcasing some absolute winners today. All right, so we got some members over the Patreon who have closed out of the last trade that I posted in there, and they've done exceptionally well. Okay, so we got Raymond here who says good day in the office, and he's made 86% on that last trade. Okay, that trade on Google that I posted at the back end of last week had just been doing phenomenal numbers for the whole community who are in the Patreon. All right, so big up Raymond. All right, we love to see it. Ali absolutely smashed it, knocked out of the park with that 200% on 200% in profits on that trade, on our Google trade that was posted at the back end of last week in the Patreon. Right, so Ali again has absolutely smashed it, and it's just incredible to see so many people doing exceptionally well. Right, that's what I say to you guys. What I'm trying to do is bring awareness of how lucrative this options market is. All right, I'm just going to showcase one more. All right, tons of messages, tons of people doing phenomenally well today. Lumumba 140%. Right, it's easy as that. 140%. Absolutely smashed it, knocked out the park. Right, so shout out to everyone who's over the Patreon who just did amazing numbers on that last trade. Right, that was posted at the back end of last week. That's what I say to you guys. Make sure you are in the Patreon so that you guys get these high quality trades from me. All right, and you could start being part of the collective like Lumumba, like Ali, like Raymond, who have just hit amazing numbers today. All right, incredible numbers. So just want to showcase you guys. I know there's tons more that I didn't get, to show today, but look, next time I'll make sure to, showcase your results if I didn't get around to you today. And there's tons of you guys who I haven't. So, we look forward to that. But that's what I'll say to you guys. The aim of this channel is to bring awareness to you, to help you clarify what is going on in the markets, and also give you guys just a good guidance, good understanding of the markets, and how to go ahead and take advantage of these opportunities. Because once you're able to do that, once you're able to sync all of this together, you're going to become absolutely unstoppable in these markets. And that's what I want for all of you guys, okay? To reach that level where you're able to go into the markets, extract phenomenal numbers like the guys over the Patreon have done on repeat. All right, it's a beautiful thing, and you guys are on your journey. It's an exciting time for all of you guys. Okay, some of you are, week 10. Some of you guys 6 months. Some of you guys are 2 years in, but you're all on an incredible journey. All right. So that being said, as always, what we're going to do is, as a collective, we're going to take a look at the markets. I'm going to give you guys some insights from my end, things to look out for, where some opportunities have been created. And then that just gives you guys some good foundation to go out there, execute, and just do incredible things. And that's what we are about, all right? We are about executing in the markets and hitting phenomenal numbers as always, all right? So shout out to all of you guys. All of you are just absolutely incredible. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this markets. What I want to do is I want to start off looking at our major indexes, because what that is going to do is it's going to give us a good foundation. It's going to give us a nice top level view, give us some good clarity of what's going on, and then we can go from there. We can take it from there. When it comes to the markets, guys, as I was saying to the patrons in the live stream yesterday, it's all about this methodical approach to the markets. If you come with a methodical approach, you are on your journey to becoming unstoppable. Okay. So what have we done? Well, today, obviously, big news. We've got new incoming president. Okay, President Trump, with his victory today. The markets have liked that. The markets have reacted very well to that. That's all good and well. But we now want to understand where the opportunities are going to be from this. Okay, where's the opportunity? What do we want to be looking out for? All right, so I haven't actually looked at the markets today, so this is going to be a kind of real-time look at the markets with you guys. All right, so just very quickly, look, what I want to do is put on some areas of interest, basically create some structure to the market. So if I can create some structure and get a better understanding of what's going on. So just put this top line resistance level on. So, okay, we have obviously moved into what I would call a minor level of resistance. Okay, the market has been creating this formation recently, moved into this minor level of resistance. So what we might do is we might get some selling pressure off the back of that. Okay, as I was telling you guys in the last video, and you guys know, I'm always putting you guys in the right lane. Too many people out in the markets, unfortunately, they're in the wrong lane doing the wrong things. But I want us as a collective to always have full clarity and be in the right lanes, because if we can do that, that means we can execute on some phenomenal opportunities. So, as I've been guiding you guys, with full force conviction, you guys know. Remember, months ago when the market had that collapse and there was all this craziness going on, I told you guys that is the low for the year. Lo and behold, we're almost at the end of the year and that holds up. And that just comes from experience. As you guys earn your badges, earn your stripes in the market, you too will be able to go into the markets and have this pinpoint accuracy. All right. So we want to be looking for long trades. As I say to the guys over the Patreon, also, for those who are kind of wondering, how did Raymond make, 100%? How did Ali smash out the park of 200%? We are using options. Okay, options is a gem, a gift that's given to us from the market gods. Okay, if any of you guys are trying to make money in the markets by buying stocks and selling stocks individually, we're not going to be friends. You need to be taking advantage of the options market. All right, that's why my guy Ali over there on the Patreon, that's why my guy Lamumba over there are hitting 200% on their trade, because they're utilizing options. All right, utilizing options. That's how they're able to make the big bucks. All right, that's how all of you guys will be making the big bucks if you're not already doing so. Yeah. So we want to be looking for call options. We don't want to be looking for any put options out there in the market. So we want to be in a position where we are going to take long trades. So that it means we are bullish. It means we're positive. It means we are looking for green. It's all the same thing. Okay. Different strokes for different folks. However you want to describe it, we're just looking for the market to go up and take advantage of that upwards movement. And that is been the story that I've been trying to get across to you guys in the last couple of, for however long now, all right? But that being said, now we've kind of come into an area of resistance. We might get a bit of selling pressure. We might get a little bit of chop at the back end of the week, a bit of digestion, a bit of profit taking, all of that stuff. What that will do is it will open up opportunities for a rebound, a reversal higher. Okay, so that is what we're looking for. We are looking for some sort of push lower And no, we're not going to get any kind of major collapse, because trust me, when you're able to recognize and identify strength in the markets, you will understand that the markets will go higher. Okay, so we're looking for some sort of rejection, some sort of profit taking, and then we enter into our call options to take advantage of that push higher. That is, my friends, exactly what we did over the Patreon with our Google trade. We took advantage of the sell-off, and I told the guys in the live stream, Google has one of the best structures out there in the market, and you're going to see this thing rocket higher. So we're looking for a reversal higher. Let's quickly look at the S&P 500. Okay, S&P 500 has made a new high. All right, so what we want to do is we just want to kind of, I'll remove all of these markings. All right, this is all the annotations, all the notes, all the gems I was given to the guys over the Patreon live stream yesterday. What would be amazing to see? Okay, what would be a phenomenal outcome for all of you guys is a movement lower, and maybe that comes on Friday. Okay, maybe it comes on Monday. Remember, on Sunday's video, I told you guys, Monday normally lays the trap for what is to come, and that's exactly what happened, because Monday we had a bit of a slow day on Monday. I think it went down a little bit, and then we had this rocket movement higher. Anyway, so if we see this some sort of pullback into this range here, which again, I'll give you guys levels, I'll give you guys price levels, which makes it easy for you guys to take the numbers away and have some concrete figures to play with. All right, we're talking like 5,800, 5,850, a sell-off. You're not going to see the market go lower than that in a minor sell-off that may occur. Let me call it minor retracement, minor pullback, to then take it higher with call options. Guys, that's a beautiful outcome. That is a very lucrative outcome that I want all of you guys to take advantage of. All of you guys should be profiting off this, of what I've drawn. The crazy thing about like charting, right, and like all this analysis is it may be simple. Okay, what I've done is I've drawn two lines that a 3-year-old could draw. But these two lines will generate tens of thousands of dollars if you know what you're doing. It's mind-blowing, right? Unbelievable. So you see this out, you see this set up, guys, you want to execute on it. Okay. And again, if you want to get that real-time information from myself, if you want to get that more intimate coaching, that more intimate guidance, you want to make sure you are in the Patreon with my guys like Ali, my guys like Raymond, my guys like Lamomba, Nancy as well, who I didn't show you guys, so smashed it, tons of others. Make sure you're in the Patreon, guys. All right. Let's look at some individual names. So like you guys have a kind of good understanding of like where markets are going to go now, where the opportunities lie. Again, look at this. On the TQQQ, you see a nice little pullback. Guys, you take that trade, you take that call option higher. You take it higher. The reason why the community is so good, the reason why the Patreon is so good, amongst other things, is when the markets sell off, you got to have balls to take the trade. Okay. When Google was selling off, right, that trade that I showed you guys at the beginning, that was a Google trade, by the way, that we entered the back end of last week. When the market was throwing Google off a cliff at the back end of last week, you got to have some balls to actually enter into those call options when it's doing that. Okay. And that comes from experience. Okay. The more years you have in the market, the bigger your testicles become. So I've been in the market for coming up to 10 years. So my testicles are basically like bowling balls, guys. That's what happens, and that's what you need. And once you have that, when the market throws you this situation that might be gut-wrenching in the form of a sell-off, you're able to ignore all of that anxiety, all right? And that's one of the beautiful things that you guys will experience in your journey to greatness in these markets, okay? So again, another name, TQQQ, looking absolutely beautiful, guys, right? These are just some phenomenal opportunities here. Something like a Google, guys, still got room to go higher. I wouldn't be surprised if you see a multi-leg move higher. And that's exactly what I was telling the guys over the Patreon, all right? A multi-leg higher is coming in a name like Google. It's only just started, okay? It's only just kicking off. The markets are looking phenomenal. But if we get this set up that I was talking to you guys about, tons and tons of money will be made. And I want all of you guys to be victorious. So as a collective, we can celebrate together. Guys, look at Bitcoin, okay? This is one that I was telling you guys about for longest. Told you guys about it on the weekend. Told the Patreon guys about it in the live stream. As a matter of fact, look at my annotations. They're here. They're still there from the live stream that I dropped the Patreons, and you can see the direction that I was telling them where we are going to be going. Okay, this level of this elite level of being able to understand the market, extract information, have full clarity, identify opportunities, execute on the opportunities. You guys, you're all going to get there. You are all going to get there. You're just early in the process. You're early in the journey. Give it time. Okay. Let that information that I spread to you guys sink in. You guys are all going to become absolutely elite in this game. And once you do, it will literally set you free, because now you have a whole new income, a whole new boost to your financial status. Okay. As I always say, the market is like a great equalizer, regardless of what your starting position is, regardless of where you are in life, regardless of what your debt level is, your education, your IQ, family matters, mental health, doesn't matter. The market is there to get you out of any rut that you may currently exist in. And I always say to you guys, you are all part of a very elite group. Not many people in the world. There are like 7-8 billion people in the world. Just think about, you are a very small subset of the human population that has exposure to such powerful information. It is mind-blowing. You guys all, as a collective with me, you are part of like the 0.0001% of people, well, several not ones, that have access to such powerful information in the form of markets, in the form of options, and the opportunity that it provides you. And all of you guys will unlock and unleash the full potential that it has for all of you guys. Okay, so as I said, you guys are part of a very elite group, and I want you guys to know that. I want you guys to understand that, because it's an incredible thing. Guys, the markets are looking phenomenal. As I say, we've started off November in exceptional fashion. What we are looking to do is take this same energy into the back end of the year, and that's exactly what we will be doing. Okay, so we are set for incredible things. It's going to be a fantastic end to the end of 2024, based on many different things. That's not just financial, okay, not just markets and returns, even though that's amazing. But we are coming in hot towards the end of the year. Okay, so I hope all of you guys are excited for what is to come. I hope all of you guys are excited, prepared, and eager for the opportunities that will present themselves. And they're there for the taking. All right, so guys, that's the video for today. As always, drop me down some comments. I love when you guys comment. I read all of your comments, and it makes me feel good. All right, so drop me down some comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.